So if you want to tap into the world of YouTube, making cash-generating videos, you have come to the right place. All these channels make a lot of money each month, and they never show their face. If you break it up, it's actually kind of simple, and you only need to do 3 things to create a YouTube channel that can blow up and generate an income for you. Pick a good niche, make quality content, post consistently. Today we are focusing on picking the right niche. Later in this video, I will share some of the best viral channel ideas that you can start right now. So stay tuned, but hold on, let's not get ahead of ourselves. If you want to make it big on YouTube, you've got to lay the groundwork. In order to succeed on YouTube, you have to pick a topic, a so-called niche. This makes sure that you can target a specific audience, which is really important. Imagine if you have a channel about cars, then suddenly you decide to change to dog videos. I bet your subscribers don't want to see their YouTube page filled up with dog videos. Some might, but not your core audience. Your subscribers are the most important thing. If you break down how YouTube works in a simple way, it's something like this. When you post a video, it will be promoted to your subscribers. If the reception is good, and your video gains a high view retention, and gets a good click-through rate from your subscribers, YouTube will promote your video further to a bigger audience. And if they like your video too, then the viral effect is starting, and you can gain massive amounts of views. Now, you might be wondering, how do you know if a niche is good for a cash-generating YouTube channel? Well, it's a combination of factors, so let's take a closer look at these. First and foremost, you need to make sure that there is demand for your niche. To determine the demand, there are a few tools you can use. Promoterkit.com. This tool is my personal favorite to use. It's free, easy to use, and you can look up any keyword. vidIQ. This might be the superior tool for serious YouTubers that want to grow their channel. The only downside is that it is kind of pricey. You don't have to get this tool, but it can for sure help you grow faster. Trending. Pick a niche that has an upgoing trend. The best thing you can do is ride the waves. If a niche is trending, it's easier to gain momentum and get a good start on your YouTube journey. You can check the development of the search volume on Google Trending. Most of the evergreen niches, like finance, fashion, or history, will be steady, which is also fine. Just avoid going into a niche with a downward trending curve. Decent CPM. CPM stands for cost per mile. This is the determinant of how much you will earn per 1,000 views. It's better to go for a high-paying niche, as you will get a bigger return on your dedication. I will show you the best-paying niches at the end of the video. What's working? Check out what other people do in the niche. It's actually better to go for a niche that you can see is working, rather than go for something completely new. This is a great way to validate an idea, and make sure that you can actually succeed. Try to find some relatively new channels that are monetized and are getting a lot of views. This is a good indication that a new channel can thrive in the niche. I will just put up the 4 key factors for choosing the right niche before we move on to actually looking at channels that are doing well and finding new ideas for a YouTube channel. Lately, I've seen a lot of these channels blow up and get a lot of views, using old philanthropy and captivating stories about life lessons and wisdom thoughts. It seems to be working well, with reports showing that some of these channels earn up to $10,000 per month. This is a great niche for a faceless YouTube channel. All you really need is some thoughtful stories, a calming voiceover, and some stock footage. And don't worry, all resources used in this video will be in the description below. Kind of similar, but presented in a more informative way, in the form of psychological facts. This is a topic that has a lot of interest and only seems to be increasing throughout recent years. This channel is doing quite well, and has been doing for some years now. So why is this a brilliant niche? If you check out the trends, the interest in stoicism and personal growth has been growing throughout the recent years. You have a lot of opportunities to make content and make your channel unique, so definitely a great niche to go for. Who doesn't love a good story from the real world? It can be both the successes and the failures. And the good thing is that there are a lot of businesses out there, so you have an endless pile of content. There are a few channels doing well in this niche, but if you can make videos about trending companies, you might be able to gain some traction. Just think about all the new software and AI companies that are rising up. Maybe some of them have an interesting story, or you could go back in time and bring in some captivating stories about business in the good old days. Now let's get on with the next niche, a YouTube channel about self-care for men. Search terms like skincare for men are slowly rising, and most trends show that men are doing more for their overall health, skin, and other aspects of life. This makes a great opportunity to leverage this on a YouTube channel. This channel, for example, is not even 3 months old, and already up to almost 3 million views. The best thing about a niche like this is that you can target a specific audience and start creating a community around your niche, which can result in more profits in the long run. Step into the spine-chilling world of YouTube, where scary stories are a massive hit. With the power of AI image technology and expert editing, you can create captivating visuals that will generate millions of views. Eerie shadows, haunting apparitions, and augmented reality will transport your audience to places they've never dared to imagine. A lot of channels are doing this, so you will need great visuals and stories to be able to succeed in this niche. With an increasing focus on health in recent years, this might be a good time to go into that niche. Be wary that this is a competitive niche, but even in the most competitive niches, there is always a possibility. Use the keyword tools from earlier to find keywords with low competition, and be quick to jump on health trends as they emerge, so you can ride the wave to success. The CPM for health-related content is usually in the higher end, and you will have endless possibilities to promote affiliate products and services to your audience. So if you know anything about fitness or health, this will be the perfect match for you. People love to look up luxurious things, like cars, boats, and mansions, a great niche with a high CPM and high demand. This channel is doing it well, and is racking in an estimated $20,000 per month. Just think how you would want to go about it. Do you want to focus on one luxury item? Or do you want to make a curated video library of luxurious stuff? Maybe someday you can film your own cars and make videos about them when your Faceless YouTube channel is blowing up and you are racking in the cash. Now you got some niche ideas, but I want to give you some more value in this guide. So follow along and don't miss out on the upcoming tips. In order to make more money on YouTube, you have to be in a niche with a high CPM. So here is the list of the top paying niches: finance, technology, education, fashion, makeup, lifestyle, health, psychology. The CPM will be dependent on a lot of other factors, for example, what country your audience is from, how old they are, and what their spending capacity is. It is the advertisers that determine the price, and they will only pay if your audience is worth spending ad money on. So now you have several niches that you could start working on right now, and I suggest you do. But in order to do so, you need an action plan, and as a bonus reward for you, as a thank you gift for watching this whole video, I will give you one. First, you gotta decide which of the niches you want to pursue. This will come down to your personal preference. Even though you don't have to be super passionate about the topic, it will make the whole content ideation and creating process much easier if you at least have some kind of interest. Next, you want to find at least 10 keywords that have an easy or mid difficulty on either Promoter Kit or vidIQ. If you are feeling stuck, I've found 2 for you in the man self-care niche. When you have found some keywords, then go find at least 2 to 3 YouTube channels within your niche. Find 10 of their most popular videos and take notes on the subject. Now you have at least 20 ideas for your first videos, and you can just start making some of them. So there you have it. This was my list of some of the best YouTube niches to start right now. I really hope that you are ready to take action, and that you will give this video a like, and remember to subscribe if you want to learn more about making money.